So, I'll tell you how you make money in real estate. By owning real estate. That is how you make money in real estate. Not by investing in a fund that invests in another fund that invests in another fund that may invest in real estate that there's a million fees being taken off the top of it. You make money in real estate by buying real estate. And the best way to buy real estate is pre-construction condos, because there's no way you can get into the market in a way that you could with pre-con, with a deposit, with minimal money in, where you directly own the asset, nobody else. Who owns title to your unit? You and only you. And that is where the greatest returns are. If you look at real estate returns, the pre-con market has given to its investors way more than the developers make. Way, way more.
Fact.
And that's an incredible opportunity. So now that you know the best way is to own real estate, the question now becomes where to own real estate. Well, it's a numbers game now, because now we're looking at and saying, where is the markets rise? How much can markets rise? And what is the percentages markets rise at? Now, going from $1,200 a foot downtown to $1,400 a foot is $200 a foot increase over $1,200. How much is that? Maybe 10, 15%, right? Going from $850 to $1,200 is $450, right? Now,
or 50%.
Or 50%. Or just take the same $200 a foot that you took on the $1,200 going up to $1,400, or from $850 going up to $1,050. How much more does that same $200 a foot increase mean on an $850 average than it means on a $1,250? It's a no-brainer, right? You are making so much more.
The same.
Because you less to acquire the same, you get more space for less money, and you have way more room to grow the asset. Right? You'll make way more investment returns going from $850 up $200 a foot than you do at $1,250 going up
#, facts.
The bang for your buck and the value
is there. And we're looking, like, we pulled yearly returns, and in our, for our building, our yearly returns are averaging 10 to 11%. We're pulling numbers from downtown core, and it's 2 to 5%.
So if you're growing at the same rate of the city of Toronto, you're going to grow double the amount here in Etobicoke just by sheer fact of the price point you're in.
And listen, you look at that in other neighborhoods where it's happened. Look at Regent Park, what Regent Park was to what it is now, right? People who bought in the beginning, Liberty Village, City Place, we'll get back to those places. So to your point, there's more room for growth here because you're getting in on the ground running.
There's one more thing you got to know, because real estate is a game of three things. One, owning real estate. Two, where to buy real estate. And the third one, which is I think the crux of every business, is it's all about who you know.
Mm-hmm. And we are very lucky to have had you guys not only in our studio, but at the time that we've had you in our studio, you guys are in the middle of just starting to launch this. You've given us exclusive.
But there's a reason why we're here, because you guys are platinum agents. You guys sell, and you guys do well. You guys have clients, and people trust you because you know your business. You know this market inside and out. You know where this is coming. And to me, that is why I say there's something called platinum pricing, because I know that I'm raising prices. Prices have already risen. They're going up again and again and again and again on this project, right? And we give you guys first crack because we know that you're the best at your job. And to me, that is a huge, huge, huge reason why I make money, because it's who do I know, and I know you guys.